You work hard, right? So why are you still broke? The truth is harsh, it's your habits. People think wealth is about luck or inheritance, but more often it's about the daily choices you make. Habit number 1, procrastination. You say I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow becomes next year. Time is money. Every delayed action is a lost opportunity. Wealthy people don't wait, they act. Habit number 2, spending before earning. Buying things before you can afford them? That's not success. That's self-sabotage. Credit cards, payment plans, loans. You're living in the future while your wallet stays in the past. Habit number 3, no budget. If you don't track your money, it disappears. A budget is your blueprint for wealth. Rich people know where every dollar goes. Poor people hope it works out. Habit number 4, fear of investing. You're afraid to lose money, so you never try. But by not investing, you're already losing. Wealth grows when money works for you, not when it sleeps in your savings account. Habit number 5, toxic friends. If your circle only talks about parties, not progress, you're stuck. Surround yourself with people who make you think bigger, not settle for less. Habit number 6, chasing trends. Crypto today, NFTs tomorrow, meme stocks next week. No strategy means no wealth. The rich don't chase hype. They build solid foundations and play the long game. Habit number 7, no self-education. If you're not learning, you're not growing. Money follows growth. Books, YouTube, courses, knowledge is free. Excuses are expensive. Habit number 8, instant gratification. You want results now, but real wealth takes time. Every time you choose comfort over discipline, you push your dreams further away. Breaking habits is painful, but so is being broke. Choose your pain. If this hit you hard, don't just scroll away, like, subscribe, and share this. Let's break the cycle together.